Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay, okay. I'm sorry for interruption. So see here, so IoT hacking methodology will know about that. IoT hacking tools, security tools, penetration testing. IoT is an environment of physical device such as home appliances. Home appliances. It means if you are using any AC cooler in your house, then this is also running on internet. Your TV, these are also running on internet. If you want to do this, your mobile phone. So IoT is an environment of physical device such as home appliance, electronic device, sensors, etc., which are embedded with software programs and network interface card to make them capable of connecting and communicating with the network. So see here, this one is a diagram. If anyone is connected through cloud, then you can also see this. See all the things, these are connected to, and these are also a part of IoT. So IoT concept, see here. So when if you are using CCTV camera in a building, and if you are getting access of the camera, then you can also hack the IoT. IoT, it means Internet of Things. Okay. An example you can read here. An example of the automation process through the Internet of Things is connecting a CCTV camera placed in a building, capture intrusion, and immediately generate alerts on client devices at the remote location. You can always do this. Similarly, we can connect other devices over the internet, communication with other devices. Suppose that here webcam is connected, okay, in my office, and our director wants to connect with this. Then he will he will do this to find remote connection of the camera. Then uh, he will host it publicly, and if he will hosting it publicly, then you can be able to hack this very easily. Suppose that you can see here, this one is a part of also IoT hacking. Here is also some directories of network live camera, and here you can see that, suppose that if you want to connect with any camera which are connected in India, okay, can you see this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I want to connect with live cameras which are connected in India. This camera is Mumbai, Boishan, Mumbai. I want to connect with Bangalore camera. There is also a Bangalore camera, but I don't want to connect with this camera. But see here, this one is camera which is located in Bangalore. Okay, and I want to connect with this camera. Then here, when I will open this, then I can be able to. No, 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 not this one. My mistake. All cameras are hosted in internet. Then you can get a live monitoring, you can find anything. This camera is located in Gumchi Chowk. Okay, do you know Gumchi Chowk?
No, sir.
No,
Where
sir.
is Gumchi Chowk?
Don't know, sir.
Yeah,
Don't know, sir.
don't know. It is located in Bangalore. Okay, are you from Bangalore?
No, sir.
But it is a location, you can see this. You can also find the live monitoring of this camera, and here see the timing, 1:27. Here is the time. Okay, 15
Okay, sir.
October.
Yes,
It
sir.
means you have been successfully connected with this camera. Okay, so if anything is posted in internet, then you can hack anything. You can also find the threads, and after that, through threads, you can be able to log in. So you can see here. So IoT technology requires unique identity. Unique identity refers to the IP addresses, especially IPv6. Here, see this. How IoT work? IoT devices may either use IoT gateway to communicate with the internet, or they might be directly communicating with the internet. It means IoT device can use IoT gateway, or they can also connect communicate directly with the internet. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Integration of control equipment. logic controller and advanced programmable electronic circuit make them capable of communicating and being controlled remotely. If any device has been hacked, or if suppose that if any device has not been hacked, then you can handle it remotely very easily. So see here this one is a IoT gateway, this one is a user, and this one is a monitoring X-ray station and ultrasound devices. This one is IoT gateway. These are IoT devices, and IoT devices always use IoT gateway or direct connected with internet. And here data is storing, and here is the user. And if you user want to remote handle this, then he can remote it handle this remotely here. Okay. So the architecture of IoT depends on five layers, which is application layer, middle layer, internet layer, access gate layer, and edge technology layer. So here see this application layer, mid layer, internet layer, access gateway layer. See this and read it properly. What is that? Okay. Here in IoT technology and protocol, first one is wireless communication. Wireless communication is you can see short range Bluetooth. Bluetooth is in short range. LIFI is in short range, but in medium range, HLO, LTE advanced level, and long range, low power, LPWAN, VSAT, cellular, mobile phone is also a long range wireless communication, and wired communication is Ethernet. Ethernet is LAN, and operating system is RIoT or OS, R embedded OS, real sense OS. So here are the some communication models. There are some communication models. IoT, there are several ways in IoT devices can communicate with the other devices. The following are some of the IoT communication models. These are the communication models of IoT. Okay. So device to device model. Here, this one is mobile phone. This one is mobile phone, and this one is wireless paper. It means printer. Through printer, this is a wireless printer, and through printer and through mobile phone you can also access from here. Okay, are you getting or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So these are also connected in internet. Here you can also see this device to device model. Next one, here is the application server. If anyone is doing any wrong thing, so you can also see here, this one is a smoke sensor, this one is file sensor, this one is monitoring device. Monitoring device, it means CCTV camera, and this one is the application server. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Next one, device to gateway model. Next one is device to gateway models. So you can see this, this one is the gateway, and this one is application server. Just previous I have told you about that. Backend data sharing model. Backend data sharing model is here. You can also see this. This one is a monitoring device. This one is application server, a smoke sensor, application server 1, 2, 3. These are the three application server. And in backend sharing model and advanced model, when devices are communicating with the application server. And this scenario is used in a collective partnership between different application providers. Okay. So, but here some challenges of IoT. Here are the some challenges of IoT. What are the challenges and what are the vulnerabilities? So first WASP top 10 IoT vulnerabilities is here. You have to remember this. Okay. And some challenges are here: lack of security, vulnerable interface, physical security risk, lack of vendor support, difficult to update them. Wait 1 minute.
Sir, interoperability issues.
Yeah, internet of
Interoperability issues. Sixth point.
6 point. I'm showing you that interoperability issues. No, wait only 1 minute. Inter. See here. See here. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And read this. Uh, See here, it is a consequence of many critical issues such as vendor lock-in, impossible to develop IoT application, exposing cross-platform or cross-domain, difficult to plug in non-interoperable IoT devices into different IoT platforms are ultimate prevents of the emergence of IoT. Okay, these are
Okay,
the
sir.
such interoperability issues. Vendor lock-in, impossible to develop IoT applications. Okay, these are the some issues. Okay, so you can also see here the images. Here, improbability of Internet of Things. Here is a IoT device, and here is also IoT device, and these are connected to IoT controller. Okay, and here are some issues of IoT improbability issues are here. You can also see here in this image. What is the challenges and solutions? You can see here. No. Here. You can also see here discovering devices, working with data, connecting with devices, all the security features, all are the interoperability issues in IoT. Interoperability. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now see here, these are the some vulnerability you have to remember it. Some IoT attack, DDoS attack, same thing. Rolling code attack. Suppose that in this part, a victim send a signal to unlock his uh, if you want to unlock any garage of your car, okay, if you want to send a signal to unlock his garage to his car, and center locking of car work and radio signaling. If you are using car and now the car is on remote key, and if you want to open your garage, and if you are using here any radio signal, an attacker using a signal jammer, and you will use a signal jammer to jam the signal, and after that car's receiver to receive the signal and simultaneously capture the signal sent by the owner of the car, and later an attacker can unlock the car using captured signals. Are you understanding or not?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
No. Suppose that if you want to open your garage, okay, if you want to open your garage, okay,
Yes,
or
sir.
if you want to open your car also, same to same thing, and you are using a radio signal, and
Yes, sir.
an attacker will use a signal jammer, and through jammer they, he can block your all signals, and he will capture all the signals of your car, and after that attacker will use this signal to unlock his car, okay, using captured signal. Okay,
Yes,
Okay,
sir. I
sir.
these are
understand,
the
sir.
some attacks. Yeah, some back doors. So this one is also a big, very big part. It is not a small part. It will also covered in this one. See here, you can also use Sodan. Do you know about Sodan?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
I don't know.
Lalit sir.
Lalit sir has told you about that.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So see here, Sodan. You can first you have to create an account on Sodan. After that, you can get the connection. First, this one is a Sodan. Click on Sodan. Okay, this is the search engine for IoT. You can also create free account. You can also get anything. If you want to find the webcam, traffic signals, all the things you can find from here. Search here and you will get all the IP addresses. Okay,
Okay, sir.
you can also see this. I want to open CSR 1100 This one is a part of also used for gathering information. After that same thing, vulnerability scanning, launch attack, you will all the things you will cover in this part. Okay.
Okay, sir. Sir, these webcams are in public places, sir.
Yeah. In public places. Public places in a network, you can do anything. Okay.
Okay, sir. How we can monitor in private spaces like school, colleges, or in buildings?
In building, first you have to get the IP address. After that, you can do anything. 1 second. Hello.
Bro,
சொல்லுங்க ப்ரோ.
சைலண்டா இருக்கீங்க இன்னைக்கு.
வெளியே போயிட்டு வந்த ப்ரோ, ரொம்ப டயர்டா இருக்கு.
ஓகே.
அதனால தான் லேட். பேங்க் வரைக்கும் போயிட்டு வந்தா ரொம்ப டயர்ட் ஆயிடுச்சு.
சரி.
இன்னைக்கு கிளாஸ் நல்லா இருக்கு. டயர்டா இருக்கா இன்னைக்கு கொஞ்சம். ப்ரோ அந்த சார் கேஎஃப் ஸ்கேனர் இருந்துச்சு, அது என்னது? கேஎஃப் ஸ்கேனரா?
புரியல ப்ரோ.
Okay. So first you have to get the IP address, and after that you can do anything.
Sir,
yeah.
Shall we shut down this public webcam, sir?
Yes, Sudan.
Not shut down, sir.
Shut down.
I'm asking, shut down. Just only monitor, or can we shut down cameras?
Previous, I have talked about that. You are talking this. I can't understand you. This one.
Sir, no, sir. Sir, in public camera, we have monitoring on camera,
we
sir.
We are monitoring camera, sir. Shall we shut down that camera? Shall we turn off the camera?
Yeah, but if you have passwords, then you can shut down. If you have passwords and username, but if any webcam has not been connected with any username and password, protected by username and password, then you can shut down, monitor, delete videos, anything.
Yeah, okay, sir.
See here, I'm showing you. I want to open this camera, okay? Because some cameras directly has been linked. So I want to open this one. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Here is also IP address and port number. Let it link. Hello?
Yes, sir.
It maybe my system has been heavy. Wait only 1 or 2 minutes, okay?
Yeah, okay, sir.
Sir.
Yeah.
sir. Windows has downloaded, sir. Some pop-up have been coming.
So first I have to stop sharing. After that I can do anything. My system has been hanged. I am restarting the system. Only wait 1 or 2 minutes. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, it's,
After that you will share your screen, and I will provide you the IoT hacking PDF. And after that read this, because here only you will cover the basics of IoT. Okay.
yeah, right, sir.
But the practicals of IoT I will show you after creating the videos.
Mm, done, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So
Sir,
I am restarting the PC. Yeah, yeah.
another one, sir. That Kali Linux, sir, 19.4 version.
19.4 version. Yeah, good version.
It's not downloading, sir. I mean, it's downloaded but not working, sir.
Not working.
Yeah,
Installed
sir.
or not?
I have downloaded 2 times, sir. It
Okay,
shows
you
the
will
same
you
error,
show me
failed
the.
to copy.
Okay, okay, okay. I have. Will you show me the error when you are downloading this?
Yes, sir. I'll take a snap and send you, sir.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So wait only 1 minute. I am restarting the PC. Okay.
Yeah, sure, sir. Bro, 2 minutes, bro. நானும் வந்துடுறேன்.
Okay, bro.
ப்ரோ நீங்க இந்த விண்டோஸ் காலி லினக்ஸ் OS டவுன்லோட் பண்ணீங்களா?
பண்ணிட்டேன் ப்ரோ.
ஹலோ
இந்த விண்டோஸ் தான் இது. கடைசியா வந்து ஏதோ யூஸ் ரெக்கமெண்டட் செட்டிங்ஸ் இன்ஸ்டால் இப்படி வருது ப்ரோ.
हेलो या कार्तिक है
Sir, this pop-up.
use recommended install important reference. Yes, recommended. Now, so one minute. Okay, next. It will take time. Only next. Home network. 1 second. Public network. Okay. Now welcome. Now has been installed. Okay. Now I will share you the PPT,
Okay,
and
sir.
after that read the IoT hacking PPT, and after that and 19.4 error is sent me. Okay.
Sir, I
Okay,
have sent you on WhatsApp, sir. 19.4 error.
WhatsApp?
Yes, sir.
No, I didn't get anything. Yeah.
It just failed to copy the details, sir. Installation media retry.
Wait. Oh, 19.4 not working. Try to download 19.1 or 19.2.
Yeah, okay, sir. I'll try and report you, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, so meet you now next day, tomorrow. And after that, I will tell you about OT hacking and the last module, okay? And after
Yeah,
that,
sure.
I will give you a link. You will download it and add in your virtual box.
Okay, sir.
Okay.